bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you.
Hey guys, welcome. What's up? Today's Vlogmas video is going to be more like a chill at home type of vibe. So I really wanted to go on the road today. I'm not sure if that's gonna work out. And first and foremost, it's so cold outside. So cold outside because for the person that recommended me to go to the Christmas tree lighting in the area. So they had one for downtown last night. We had planned to go because we had the wrong date from last week. So we did plan to go, but with all the weather had gone last night, yesterday it did not come out of the 30s. It went as low as the 18. So I don't know, that was in the negative for Celsius. So it was so cold. It was so cold when I got in. There was no going back out. I was saying to babe, like, listen, this would have been such a good content for Vlogmas. But I came home, pop off my wig. No wig right now. Gone. Took off my wig. Got myself settled and in bed. So there was no going out last night. I'm really sorry that I missed the Christmas tree lighting because I really wanted to do it. Really wanted to go see it. Really wanted to get the video clippings for you guys. But and then the belly are back on me. So today I'm gonna try the orange and the salt again. If not, I'm gonna try some other recommendation. I don't know. I want to drink water. The water in my belly I run more. And right now I need to be drinking a lot of water. Can't live my life right now without water. Water have to be making sure that I am very hydrated. So right now I'm going through it. Anyways, right now I'm gonna wash a wig because I have this wig that I'm like, okay, let's just install back with another wig because we have the hair already braided. So why pull it out and then my hair want perm, so that's what my plan for do. So I have this wig, and this wig is my anniversary. You see the anniversary picture, I want to see we're gone from when February. I saw somebody said happy anniversary. My anniversary is not until next year again, which will be our 2nd year of marriage anniversary. January is our what I call it now, when we met anniversary. So January come gonna be 10 years since we have known each other. 9 years since we have been in a firm relationship, and then February I gonna be 2 years since we have got married. So yeah, so my anniversary is not until next year again, next year February. So I'm gonna watch the wig, get into the wig, and then installing it. People really really want to go on the road today, but they really want to see a Christmas tree. For start out what I do with my Christmas tree, which is still not up. I really wanted to go to Target to see what they have, because I see people posting like Target finds for Christmas, which really and truly, I'm telling the truth, Target, for me, I just think Target is one of those overrated stores that I don't feel the need to really go into. Target is very expensive. I don't know about you, but I know about me. Target is very expensive, and to find something in Target, me have to go walk around for look. So I really wanted to go see if they had any Christmas finds. Like when I see I go around on the internet, but in my budget. Now so they not have it, so I wonder if in my budget. So I really wanted to go to Target, and I really wanted to go to Burlington. So I wanted to go to Home Goods. You see how much errands me have? What am I telling you? I don't want me afraid to go up on the road because it cold and the running belly. I lick me for 6. I mean, it's serious. So yeah. So I'm gonna watch the wig here and then just do what I have to do for the rest of the day. I'm sorry, but today gonna be a at home type of vibe. Yep. I had the wig placed in warm water and shampoo. When I come back, the warm water leak out of the sink. I normally boil my water back home in Jamaica, put in the hot water. But through the pipe already I give the hot water. I was like, okay, so I'm gonna see if it's effective enough when I use the rag and like rub it out. I'm gonna show you how me get away. Or I get away this. It's an easy, quick step that I learned from the internet. I want to about the internet now. Internet have a whole heap of bad things, but internet have a lot of good things for us. Now talk it true. Really, man, for true. So this water, it needs to be hot. Normally I put normally I would have put dish soap in it, but through me too lazy, never want to go out in the kitchen area, but it throw the shampoo. So I'm gonna see if the shampoo do the damage. But although the water leak out, so I have to put more shampoo in there. So let's do this again. So first I would have the water being as hot as possible. Normally I'm gonna put in a boiling steam water, as I said, that comes from the stove or out of the kettle. So we're gonna get this to be the hottest it can be. And I normally allow it to sit for like half an hour, depends. And then, as I say, I dish soap I normally use, but because of laziness, I'm going to use the shampoo this time. Alright. Still not hot enough, but we still are going to try. And then I'm going to get a rag. I'm going to get one rag. Am I going to use this rag? I have one in there way. Never seem like it did. Right, let's use this one. Alright. We're going to use the rag to kind of rub out this part. So I'm going to put it up and show them. So this is it. And then I'm going to have the rag and you rub out the glue like this. You just rub it out and it just come out nice and easy. So you can see it's a rub out. But as I said, it's my first time doing it with the shampoo. I always use dish soap. Preferably like the strong dish soap like Dawn or what I want to name. Dawn or Palmolive, is that the name? And all of them one day. So yeah. Guys, we're gonna use the air fryer tonight for the first time. We're gonna do some patties. We're gonna do some golden crust patties. Simple and easy for the weekend here. Yeah. Alright, so we put the patties inside and they insert the basket, plug it in, and then all the info should come up. The power, hair fry, roast, reheat, bake. What to put the pan be? It's a hair fry, roast, preheat, bake. Which one to put the pan? At the salon, me to read. You just tell her like directions. I made it show everything as I think. Oh. Press it right. Hold on. The time I did it, Papa. No other book here with the instruction manual. Hold on. You tell like if you cook something. It's a reheat. When reheat is pressed, a tone will sound 250 degrees Fahrenheit temperature and 6 minute time will alternate. So reheat must press, right? Kind of bake how long it time? Bake at 25 minutes. You don't want so long. You want the 6 minutes, right? And start. take off this off of the top. So for the full 6 minutes you leave before you put the cheese in there? You put it for the full 6 minutes before you put the cheese in there? Oh, so you make it then, but it's a little crusty. No, I mean same time. I mean like if you want to stop it in the middle of it, put in the cheese. Yeah. So we'll see how this works. Because the patty, I don't like them in the microwave at all. Anything with a warm up, I don't like in the microwave none at all. I'll try away from. I'm gonna give it a space. The see shop on the bag say. Oh, they have instruction B. They have eating instruction on the bag. Them say microwave, you can air fry, preheat. It says if you air fry for 18 to 20 minutes. A air fry you must put it on.
Oh, I'm confident I'll air fry.
Alright guys, so because we never check out the patty them long enough, we had to bake them a bit before we apply the cheese. So babe, I put in the cheese in them, and then we're gonna put them back in the air fryer. So they get they're kind of crunchy already, so they might get a little bit more crunchy. So in all honesty, the preheat we'll put for 6 minutes. It better when you put it on well, air fry for 18 to something minutes, like what the packaging. Not true.
Put it on air fry, or like if you take out the feed.
Yeah, that's what I say. If you like, if you put it out long enough, you could have did that. Baby fry, but be fried them brown up and you see them good? Okay. We're gonna put them back in now for the last minute and then fine. Last 6 minutes for the cheese. And then yay! We have cheese patty. Guys, so I got home and I'm gonna take off the wig here. The vlog that you guys are watching, that vlog is a vlog from the past that was in the draft. Let's take it, flick it down. That was in the draft because a girl don't really have anything much to show you guys. So but let's go for the vlog there. To give it to myself, when I realized from that vlog I was talking about my belly ache and all of that, and I no longer have a belly ache. So when I realized, because I probably say belly ache so long, something must wrong with me. Not true. So I'm gonna put up, look here, the wig really and truly I didn't want it last of the week, but I'm gonna tell you something. About this little part here under the wig. You see there's something here what I me I do? It's not normal. So my hair is very dirty. It needs to be washed. I don't think this hair, because how long would I have on the wig? Remember I had on the red wig on these same braids, and then I came on and put on back this the black wig. So this here very dirty. So I'm gonna get it washed and blow it out and wear a little bun. My hair one perm. So but I'm not gonna force a perm it because I'm gonna put a wig on for the Christmas break and just get myself in the holiday spirit. So I just re-braid it after the few days I'm left for work and just you know, just sort out myself. And then after that now, probably going back to work after the Christmas, I will perm it. I just have my husband perm it and start me out because that's my hairdresser. Okay, so ooh, the Christmas is here and I have not purchased any gifts. The Christmas is here and I've not purchased any gifts as yet. I'm not buying a gift yet, and I'm hoping to get the gift shopping done for this weekend. Well, it depends on how I decide to plan this weekend, because this weekend the plan is so sticky. I don't know sure what I'm gonna do, but I am hoping to get Christmas gifts out the way for this weekend. I'm hoping to just whatever. Baby's gonna bake Christmas cake. I'm not sure which vlog that will come in, but babe, I'm gonna bake Christmas cake. I can't wait for the Christmas cake. However, the Christmas cake not gonna have no wine. My Christmas cake not gonna have no wine in there. How Christmas cake tastes without wine or rum? Oh, Christmas cake tastes without wine or rum. Wine or rum. I'm wondering. May I anticipate it. To see how the Christmas cake I got taste without the wine or the rum for me. But I can't have the Christmas cake with the wine or the rum. So I'm here just to see how that I gonna look for me, how that will taste for me. But yeah. So this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. As I tell you, I don't have anything planned really. I did have a vlog for you guys. Trust and believe. I just one of them day there. And I was about to skip the day. I'm gonna say, Tash, I talk to myself. I'm gonna say, go back into the draft, see what you have down there, see if you have nothing can show it there. And because the thing is, I didn't want to the vlog there, but make it, but I never did want to really give no a vlog like that, like nothing really a go on, you know. So yeah, so I didn't want to skip the day, but however, I'm going at the draft. Open appreciate what done in the draft. And you know, I sat out phone. So make a wash my ear, make a pull it out, wash it, and then dry it. So we can get big flat on it, and then it is what it is. So we know the strips go. Alright, so we will talk. Guys, the ear pull out, so I'm gonna wash it and do what I gotta do, and we will talk. Hey, you know how long I want to pull out my ear, but I was just trying to be, I just try to look. I don't want to comb my ear, man. I just want to, you know, when you have a week and you just do the thing and I go through the door quick. I wash it and take a shower and do what I have to do. So yeah.